How to install 2-panel shower room. Do leveling with a spirit level. Install the shower holder. Mark with a pencil. Drill a hole. Install the shower holder. Tighten it clockwise. Install the fixed glass. Install the glass clamp onto the upper guide rail. Loosen the top screws anticlockwise. Install the upper guide rail. Tighten it clockwise. Lock the screws clockwise. Mount the decoration cover. Install the hinge. Install the movable glass. Install the lower hinge. Install the water fender. Tighten it clockwise. Install the sealing strip. Apply silicone sealant. Install the water fender onto the movable glass. Install the water-resisting glass clamp. Mark with a pencil. Install a wall plug. Install the water-resisting glass clamp on the right side in the same way. Install the water-resisting aluminum accessory. Tighten the top screw clockwise. Install the screw. Mount the decoration cover. Apply silicone sealant. Install the sealing strip. Apply silicone sealant. Apply silicone sealant. Install the handle.